Here's how to add confetti to a WordPress page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Now go to your WordPress site and then click on Pages or Blog, depending on what page you want to add the confetti to. I am going to assume we are adding it to a page. Now add a new page if it's a new page by clicking this button right here on top that says Add New, or click on an existing page on your site. This time, as a sample, I'll be using the My Account page and then click on Edit. Once you're in the WordPress page editor, click on the plus button, then type in HTML to find the HTML code element, and then click on that element to add it to the page. It doesn't matter where you add it. In the example, I added it at the very bottom. Now, right click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the HTML element, click on the Update button right here on the upper right corner. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, on the upper right corner too, click on Preview, then Preview in New tab. And if you did all the steps I mentioned earlier correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.